This is the All Things Kids Expo, and it is the greatest expo for kids in Temecula. Children's Primary Care Medical Group is the key sponsor this year, and we're just really enjoying all the camaraderie from all of our community partners and everybody who's coming out. It's been great.
Hi, my name is Susan Bellamy. I'm with Brady Children's Health with the business development team. We participate in this event every year. We love being a part of such a fantastic event for the community.
Hey friends, Captain Saltel here, back at All Things Kids in Temecula. Whoa, we're having a wonderful time. About to have a dance party, Rockin' Wild Times dance party. What's going on with all you?
I think it's a really great event. We were just driving by and decided to drop by the mall, and this was here, so it was really cool to come by and see.